All right, so for some exercises to help improve your transferability, we want to strengthen your triceps, okay? Because if you're pushing up, you need those tricep muscles to push. Those are your pushing muscles. So we can do what's called scapular depression, okay? You just go like this, okay? Basically, I'm not using my legs, just use my arms to push up, all right? But most people don't have the wingspan and gorilla type length of arms that I do. So when you're here, they can't go up so far. So what you do is you get a couple of those novels that you don't read, and they're just sitting around collecting dust. So you can put those there, and you can build up the chair or the table or whatever surface you're sitting on, and now you can do it easier, okay? Makes those arms longer. So you just go up like that, and you extend those elbows, straighten them up, pull your shoulder blades down together, okay? And that's that. Again, I'm not using my legs, just using my arms to push like that, okay? If you can't get your bottom off the surface, that's okay. You're still strengthening as long as you're pushing down, okay? Trying to get those elbows straight. All right, now, in addition to strengthening the arms, we need to strengthen your legs and your glute muscles, all right? Your butt muscles, very important. You got to have those to stand up. You get up to here, here's your legs, and from here forward is your glutes, okay? So we do bridging. So let me scoot back here and show you a good bridge. So you can have your hands down, okay? Your feet bent, and you can go up like that, okay? That's good. You got some good arms here to stabilize yourself. But I also like to do it this way. Toes up, cross your arms, squeeze your shoulder blades down, and then go up. I think I get a better bridge, a stronger bridge, and a higher bridge when I do that. So compare this. That's about as high as I get right there. That's all I can go. Compared to this, I feel like I get up on my shoulders more. So try those. That'll help strengthen your glutes, your legs, and your low back. That will give you extra strength to stand up. Very important muscles to have. Now I'm going to show you some mini squats. And this one is important, again, to work on your lower extremity or your leg strength and your glute strength. All right, so this is kind of a safer way. I'm not having to do full squats, just mini squats, okay? Not like mini a lot, mini like small, all right? So I usually use like a kitchen sink if you're at your house to hold on to the edge of the sink. That way you just you have the support to help come up, but you also have the support with your fingers to keep you from falling back, all right? So if you want to and you feel a little safer, you put a chair behind you. Voila, stage prop, all right? And you can just go down to whatever depth you feel comfortable with, okay? So if there's a chair back there, you can use that as a cue just to go down, touch your bottom, do that, and come back up. Now I'm trying not to use my hands to pull up. I'm just using my hands to keep me from falling back, okay? So again, this down here, way down here, it's kind of a good full squat. So you don't have to go that far, but you can just go partial up and down, okay? Now, one thing I like to try to recreate is not up and down like this, but you kind of stick your booty back there, okay? Stick that back there like you're going to sit down, just like you're working on a sit to stand or a stand to sit. Kind of recreating what you're training for, and go up like that, okay? So there's some sit to stand, stand to sit, mini squats. Now, another way to strengthen your triceps, we went over the scapular depression or the push up on the table. So you can also use a band, okay? A couple of different ways you can use that to strengthen these. You can tie it off to something that's stable, and you do these pullbacks, okay, like that. That helps to strengthen the triceps there. You also, if you have a knot in it, you can close that in a door. Easier said than done. And you can adjust the heights to that and you can pull it down. Okay? Just like that. Or very simply and simpler, you can just lay it over the handle on the inside, close it. I think it's in there we go. And pull it back like that. Okay? So if you don't have a knot or you don't have a door, but you do have a band, that's enough. You can just hold it with one hand and pull down with the other hand. Okay? Just like that. Okay? That works good too. So there you go. You got strengthening exercises, transfer training, everything to help you be able to get up and down safer and stronger. So happy transfers.